Well, hello, Sashi. How's my little girl? You can come down here. Come on. Come. Yes, that's my good girl. Yay! That's little Sashi. Sashi comes every year. For many years. And she knows us and she acclimates very quickly. Hello, my love. Are you a good girl? You're my good girl. Yay! Sashi! Oh, you just like my hand, huh? Yeah. So she's doing very well. She just came in Saturday. She's voiding normally. She's eating well. We moved her to the horizontal suite, which I think she likes. Huh, you like that? Yes. Oh, yes. So no worries with Sashi. She's a good girl. She's doing very well. And we're happy to have her. Hi, you talking to me? You talking to me? You're my good girl. You. Yeah. You. You following me?